Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel with another vlog. So this is December 7 when I am shooting this vlog and a very special day of my life, which is our wedding anniversary. So today I'm sharing our day with all of you through this vlog. So as it is our special day, Mr. Husband has taken off from his office. So I got a little bit late comparing to other days. I'm done with my work, house cleaning chores and other daily routines. After all these, I started cooking with some meetha, which is gajar ka halwa. And in breakfast, I'm gonna make curd sandwich, which I'll be sharing with you all today. So here I have grated the carrots for halwa and I'm gonna make it without mawa because I don't have. Instead of that, I'll use full cream 1 liter of milk, which will be sufficient, I guess. Along with this, I also keep washing dishes. I don't want them to get piled up because they bothered me a lot. Now at the very first, I'm gonna put the kadhai on the stove. And in kadhai, I'll put a spoon of desi ghee. Now I'm adding the grated carrot in the kadhai. Now close it with lid and let it cook on low flame. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling for the curd sandwich. For that, I am using vegetables like cabbage, carrot and cucumber. I will chop all the vegetables using this chopper. First of all, I am chopping the cabbage. After this, same as cabbage, I will chop carrot. And then cucumber. You can take quantity of vegetables according to your taste. But cabbage and carrots go great with it and we really love them in fillings. Now all the vegetables are ready And in this I'm adding hung curd, a spoon of mayo, and same a spoon of sandwich spread. With this I am adding some black pepper, red pepper powder and some salt for seasoning. Now mix them well. And our sandwich filling is ready in some minutes only. Here our carrots are cooked and I am adding 1 liter of full cream milk in this. Now after mixing the carrot and milk together, I will put the lid and let it cook for some more time. So it is breakfast time and let's make sandwiches. As our fillings are ready, I will fill them in the middle of both the breads. I will apply the butter on the upper ends of the breads and will grill them in the griller. On the other side, our halwa is almost ready. Now I am adding sugar, you can add according to your taste, but I am adding 1 bowl of sugar in this. After mixing it well, I'll cook it more till it dries up. Here I am going to grill the sandwiches. Look at the color. They are tempting as well as crispy. Healthy and tasty breakfast is ready in minutes. Please try it at your home and let me give the feedback in the comments below the video. So that one was for the Darsh and these are for us. We really love them having in the breakfast. It's my personal request, please try it. Along with that, our halwa is also ready. I have garnished it with some dry fruits. Now for lunch today, I made a very simple and basic lunch in the meal, which is masoor dal rice, aloo methi and roti. Salad and curd was the complimentary. I kept the lunch very simple because in dinner we are going to have dinner outside. So, keeping the lunch very simple was a good decision, I guess. Sometimes even simple food are so satisfying to the soul, and we really enjoyed today's meal together. In the evening, with tea, we had some conversations about next plan, like where to go and what to do next, and had some quality time. Then, after tea, we all got ready, and first we went to Mandir for thanking God for all His blessings and spent some more time there. When we reached there, the evening aarti was taking place. We attended it and really felt pleasant and blessed indeed. So now, as it is our anniversary, so I always try to gift him something on this special day. I gifted him a pair of jeans, what he actually needed. It always felt me good gifting our loved ones whatever I am capable of. His smiling face totally worth it. Then we went to a restaurant to make the evening of our special day more memorable. We had some snacks and good food there and enjoyed our time. It is said that any relationship need your time, not money nor any materialistic thing of this world. Only good times spent together are remembered. So give some time to your relationships and see how they smile. On that sweet note, I am ending the today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this day with us. Until next, take care. Bye bye.